Hello JVC friends, so today I'm going to make a demonstration of the features of the KW-NSX1. So for this demonstration, we would need the following. So of course you would need your KW-NSX1 along with the smartphone adapter that comes with the set, and of course the smartphone that we will be using for this demonstration, which is compatible with KW-NSX1, which is Nokia's E7, which also contains the car mode application, which can be bought from the Nokia store called OVI or OV at a certain amount. Okay, so first I would like to show you the connections that needs to be done first to connect your smartphone adapter to your head unit to your smartphone itself. So first you would need to have the cables installed properly. So you have the parking brake, the ground remote, and the battery. And of course you would need to connect your RGB cable directly to the RGB connector that you have at the back side of your KW-NSX1. And of course we would need to have the micro USB from this Nokia or this KW-NSX1 smartphone adapter directly connected to your Nokia's E7 or to the smartphone. So I will connect it right now. So now I have connected my smartphone to my unit KW-NSX1. So now I can push the Mirrorlink application or the Mirrorlink menu on the main screen that I have. So first thing you will notice is that the screen that I have with my Nokia's E7 is the same as the screen that I have on my KW-NSX1. So what does that mean? It means that I have direct access or control of the Nokia's E7 functions to my KW-NSX1. So that means also that I could now safely put the phone aside and have all the access directly to my head unit, which would be much easier and much safer while I am driving. Okay, so first and foremost, you can see from the screen that you have a call tab, drive tab, music tab, and you have a weather tab here also. And then if you will notice, there are two more slots that are empty, which I believe would be for the future update or expansion of the Mirrorlink application for Nokia's E7. So now let's go back. So the main features that you have here would be for the call, drive, and music. So basically from the call menu, you will be able to gain all the call functions that you have from your phone directly to your head unit. So say for example, you would need to access certain numbers to your recent calls. So you simply push this one, which for my case I do not have, since the phone that I'm using, which is Nokia E7, does not contain any SIM card. But if in case it does have a SIM card, so you can directly access your contact to your recent calls list. Or otherwise, you can use your contacts tab, which will show you the menu of all the contacts that you have from your mobile phone directly to your NSX1. So you can search through it alphabetically. You can scroll down, you can scroll up. So say for example, I would like to contact a certain friend For example, I would like to contact Mr. Omar Deep. So what I'll do is that I'll push his contacts detail, and what would appear before me would be all the mobile numbers that that are listed on my contacts list. It would be appearing before me. So for example, I would need to contact him to this mobile phone number. So I simply push that and it would directly make the call. But like I said, since I don't have a SIM card, so I could not be making the call. But I hope that you do get the idea that it's very easy to make a call and receive a call directly from the head unit safely. And another option is that, for example, the person that you want to call is not on your contacts list, but you know the mobile number of that person. So what you can do is that from the dialer itself, you can push the buttons. Say, for example, so I already inputted all, I have inputted the mobile number I would like to call. I would simply press this green button and it would make that call. Okay, so that is basically the demo that we have for the call function. And another main feature that this Mirrorlink has is its ability to have the navigation access directly to the KW-NSX1. So let's push the drive menu. So basically it would be, you would be accessing the maps part of your mobile phone. So for example, for my case, say I would like to go to a certain place. So basically I have different options that I have. So I could search for it. If I did went to the same place before, so I could simply have click this history. I would like to go home. I could simply push this one. Or those destinations that I tagged as favorites, I could go from there. And you could also have a contact on your phone's contact list as a way to have directions going to that contact. And of course, there are other different categories also. You can set, like for example, if you want to, say, find some places where you can eat and drink, so you can push this button. Or otherwise, if you have something in mind, like for example, I would like to go to, say, Dubai Mall. So I simply press the letters 2, Dubai Mall. So basically it would list down all the options that I have. So say I would like to go to the Dubai Mall. So if I want to get to that location, so basically you can see the location, your destination, how far you are, and the route you need to take to get to that destination. So I would simply push the option that I want, and it would access the details from the satellite, so it could communicate with my phone. But for my case, since I am standing inside a room that is surrounded by thick concrete walls, so the signal here for the satellite is not very good. But anyhow, you see the point. So I hope you could see the map that is actually shown here on the screen. And once you get a good connection with the satellite, which is normally the case when you are outside driving, then you will be able to get very good very good feed from the satellite, then you would easily uh, you can easily access the route that you need to take directly from the screen, and it would give directions as to your destination. So it would be working same as the regular navigation devices that you have. So this is one of the great features of this Mirrorlink application. So now let's go back to the car mode app. So now we have discussed the call, the drive, and now we go to the music tab. So basically for the music tab, it's very easy. So the music tab simply means that you have access to all the music or the tracks that you have from your mobile phone now on your KW-NSX1. Very easy to use. So basically your music can be arranged in many different ways. One of them is, say for example, you want your music to be arranged based on artists and albums. Simply push this one, and it would show you all the albums and the artists that you have that is contained inside your mobile phone. And then from here you can simply click it and it would go directly to the music. Very, very easy, very, very convenient. And also for this one, that is for the music tab. And like I said before, if you have you have an additional tab, which is the weather, which basically is self-explanatory. So basically you will get the weather outside, so based on the settings that you have. So it would be loading all the weather forecast that you have for this on for that particular place that you want to access. So that is basically our demonstration for the KW-NSX1 Mirrorlink function. So if you have any other questions, so you can simply contact us back with your question and we will try to answer it as soon as possible. Okay? Thank you for listening and I hope you have a great day ahead.